Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use switch statement in Go programming language. So first thing, I want you to use text editor or IDE for executing this program. So in my case I'm using Visual Studio Code and I have created one sample.go file, and in here I'm going to write my code. So first thing, I'm going to create main package, then I'm going to create this main function. Okay, now here I'm going to create one variable, assign its value of 2. Okay, so I have variable I with value 2, and I'm going to use switch statement here, and this switch statement will take one colon, and inside which we are going to add our cases. So let's start with first case. Let's create case with value 1, and here I'm going to use, let's say, this println statement. So I'm going to import fmt, and I'm gonna use fmt dot println, and here I'm gonna use value is 1 as message. Okay, now here we will have one more case which is going to be called as 2, then println value is 3. Oh, sorry, 2, and one more case. Here I'm going to use case 3, then I'm going to use fmt println value is 3. Okay, as you can see, I have my code properly managed here, and let me go through that code again. First we call for main package, then we created this main function inside which I assigned value 2 to variable I. Then we have switch statement inside which we have cases, case 1, 2 and 3, and value of I is set to 2, that means it should go to 2, and print value is 2 in our console. Okay, so let's open terminal, and let me just go to the directory and type in go run and then sample.go. If there are any errors within program, it will be shown in this terminal. So let me hit enter. Okay, so it shows me that I'm using colon unnecessarily. Okay, so instead of colon, simply use your variable I. Okay, so what this will do is it will basically point your switch statement to check the value I. Earlier I made that error for checking this colon and without pushing any case here, so it caused that problem, which I wanted to show you, that your switch statement needs to have this variable. If we use this colon and directly ask our code to go through these cases, then it will not be sure of which case to go. In such case, we have to tell it that go to the case which matches the value within I. Now let's execute again and find out. Okay, and here you get the message value is 2. That means our switch statement switched to the value of I and then navigated to case 2. Now you can change the value of I in this case to, let's say, 3, and then execute again to verify if it shows this properly. Okay, now here you see value is 3. So you get the idea that when you are going through limited set of condition, then instead of using if else or some for loops, you can make use of switch statement to switch between list of options and execute the output of your program. So this was short demo on how to use switch statement in Go programming language.